Good morning viewers and welcome to another vlog. Today I am at the lake and where I was lucky to see a lot of migratory birds who are there at the particular island. This particular island is visited by migratory birds every year, and if you come early in the morning and if you love to watch birds, you should definitely come to the lake during 6 to 8 o'clock and watch these birds. And if you like the video, please do subscribe my channel for more videos like this, because your subscription encourages me to make more videos for you. Thank you very much and goodbye.